Hey, Fotty, do you know the 20th letter of the alphabet?
Do I know the 20th letter of the alphabet? Did the rain upset the itsy bitsy spider's plans? Yes, it's T.
Will you teach me about it?
Totally. T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T T. Taylor the T-Rex took a trusty train. The trusty train went through a twisting tunnel. The tunnel took Taylor into a town. And the town was thrilled to have tons of tulips. This is a song about the letter T. If you want to sing along, then sing this with me. T is the 20th letter of the alphabet. Let's play the T game so we don't forget.
Okay, Fotty, let me give it a try. I'm gonna sing the whole T song.
Okay, Wooby, take it away!
Taylor the T-Rex took a trusty train. The trusty train went through a twisting tunnel. The tunnel took Taylor into a town, and the town was thrilled to have tons of tulips.
Wow, Wooby, you're so talented!
Thanks, Fotty. Now I'm gonna come up with my own T song.
T-rific!
Tommy the turtle talked to a toucan. Tommy told the toucan he can toot a tuba. The toucan told Tommy she can toot a trumpet. So the turtle and toucan tooted some tunes. Tremendous.